Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the files and environment so the converter can run. Open Word, then one problematic document. Check for embedded objects or unusual fonts that can break conversion. Once done, make sure Office has the PDF export add-in enabled and that no older third-party converters are conflicting. Save a copy as docx, disable background apps that may lock files, then restart Word. This clears the converter process and prepares you to run the converter cleanly. You now execute the conversion while watching for detailed errors so you can act. Choose Export or Save as PDF inside Word, then set options. Standard quality, include document properties, and disable ISO/XBS if not needed. If conversion fails, read the error text. It often points to a missing font or content element. Next, remove the suspect section or copy small paragraphs into a new document to isolate the problem. This isolates the cause and usually lets the converter finish. You finish by validating the PDF and using targeted fixes if conversion still misbehaves. Open the produced PDF, inspect pages, fonts, and links to confirm fidelity. If problems persist across documents, run Office Repair or reinstall Office to restore the converter components. Make sure printer drivers aren't hijacking print-to-PDF functionality. If nothing works, export the file in small sections, then recombine PDFs. This helps you identify a corrupt portion quickly and lets you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.